This is my sleeper. Got a little closet. Got my TV. Got my window covers up over my windows. Got some more storage bins back here. Got my bed. Got me a microwave. Got me a refrigerator down here full of nice cold water. Got me a, can't see it, got me a alarm clock, and fans and lights and whatnot to control back here in the bed. Got me some speakers mounted down here in the bottom. Got me a big light up there. Got me a storage bin on that side above the driver's seat, one above the passenger seat. This is what it looks like inside a big truck. Got your passenger seat, your driver's seat. Got all your buttons and switches. Got a basket down here to keep my paperwork in. Got a big curtain. I can either close off the front, or I got another curtain on the side over there. Use it to wrap all the way around the front and just block off the windshield, so it opens it up a little more back here. Got me a Blu-ray player. Don't give me a flat screen. Got to give me a flat screen for my truck. This is it. This is it. Microwave, bed, TV, closet. I got some storage up under the bed. Forever company. Fold that down. And I got a set of bunk beds. One for me, one up top. That just folds down. It's an extra bed. Got me a 2,000 watt inverter. So that's cool. Enough to power a full-size refrigerator, a deep freezer, skill saw. It was on sale, so I got it. But that's it. That's what inside a big truck looks like.